everyone! If you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida and welcome to my channel. So this video, another fun review tutorial, and this time we are reviewing NYX candy collection Sprinkle Down Shimmer Eye and Lip Set, and this includes 2 pigments and 2 lip glosses. It's still wrapped. I haven't tested this out yet or anything. Alright, finally the plastic seal is off. So we got 2 lip glosses and 2 pigments, shimmer pigments. What I like so far is the packaging. It's a tint box, which can be reused, which I absolutely love, as you could just take this part off and recycle it and keep your makeup in here, which is handy, or keep anything else you want, Christmas cards for example, as Christmas coming up soon. So whatever you wish you can keep in this box, keepsake box. Really like it. Not sure about the all pink colors and all, because it's just not my thing, but yeah, it looks as a very much candy inspired. But I mean, packaging is not the most important part. The most important part is the makeup itself, if it's any good or not. So I think without any further ado, we should do some swatches and then create a makeup look using that, isn't it? So I'm gonna swatch these pigments first. So we got 2 pigments, Shimmer Down pigments, one in the color Nude, which is more of that gold color, and another is Mauve Pink. I don't ever know how to pronounce that. Mauve? Please somebody tell me how to pronounce that. It's spelled M-A-U-V-E. Mauve? No? I don't know. Anyways, pink. Something pink color. And the nude colors. So somehow we're gonna try to create makeup look using both colors. Can we do it? I think we can. Just gonna put a little bit in here so you guys can see how it looks. I love a little bit of glitter, and as it's festive season coming up, I think these pigments gonna be perfect. Oh, look at that. Okay, let's try it. Wow. Okay. We got the shimmer definitely. And the nude version. Okay, really nice. Really nice. The colors kind of look a bit similar on the hand though. And then we got 2 Sprinkle Down lip glosses in the very similar colors to these shimmers, actually, in the pink and in the gold color. So the gold color we call Confetti Crush, and the pink one we call Sugar Crystal, which kind of makes sense actually. Alright, let's try this Confetti Crush first. Ooh, smells very sweet. Smells like candy, actually. Okay, let's try. Ooh, that looks good. I like it. That looks really good. Smells really nice. Smells like candy, literally like candy. And then a pink one, the Sugar Crystal. Smells exactly the same. Smells like candy. Ooh, this one has a bit of a blue reflection in that. It's like holographic. I hope you can see that as well, because it reflects the blue light. Interesting. Let's try this one on the lips, maybe? Wow. That looks pretty dope. Let's try this Confetti Crush on the lips. I think I prefer this one, this Confetti Crush on the lips, over the Sugar Crystal, because this reflects blue light too much for me. But what do you guys think? And probably I would use over lipstick as a lipstick topper rather than on its own. But it looks pretty good on its own too. I don't know what to think. I kind of like it and dislike it at the same time. But I'm really impressed about this shimmer pigment. So I think without any further ado, we should create a makeup look using these. But I think we need another eyeshadow palette, because we can't just go and shimmer all around. So for that, I'm gonna use another the candy sugar palette that NYX just released. So this one is Licorice Lane. I actually did a review and a makeup look using it, and a video should be on my channel already if you guys wanna check it out. So for this look, as our transition color, I'm gonna go with this like dusty pink color, I think, to begin with. So I'm gonna go higher than my crease is. And I'm gonna apply a little bit of the same color on the outer corners as well. And with the same color, we're just concentrating on one color on this palette. Gonna go on the lower lash line as well. Alright, enough of this palette for now. Let's move on with our Shimmer Down pigments. So I think I'm gonna go with a nude, the goldish one, in the eye corner, and then with a pink, the mauve pink on my mobile lid. So I'm gonna start from a gold one. I don't think I'm gonna be using the glitter primer, as this is not really a glitter. Do I need a glitter primer for this? I think no. Alright, okay, let's just put some in. That's clearly too much. Small dense brush. Gonna start from inner eye corner. Wow, you guys. Oh my god, I hope you guys can see that. I hope you see what I see in the mirror because it reflects the light so much. Oh my god. Okay, let's jump into the pink one. Okay, I see the difference in the color now. I see in the mirror the color difference between pink and nude, but I'm not sure if you guys are able to see that on the camera because it's really similar shades. Pink has just a little bit cooler undertone than a nude one because nude is more of a gold. Alright, let's clean this up a bit, roll out. So coming back to the Licorice Lane palette, once again this a dusty pink color. I'm just gonna blend the glitter together nicely with our transition color. And just taking a tiny bit of a purple color for the outer corners. Just a tiny bit. And blending it in. Alright, so all we need is a mascara. I still got my lash extensions on, but because of all this glitter, I'm gonna apply a little bit mascara on my top lashes and my lower lashes. So I'm using the NYX Worth the Hype mascara. So the eye makeup is complete. Let's do lips. So I think instead of using just on its own this lip gloss, I would prefer it as a lipstick topper. So for that, I'm gonna go with NYX Powder Puff in the color Moody. So especially put some lip oil underneath, I forgot to mention that. The one by NYX as well. Time for a lip gloss. I think I'm gonna go with this nude one. Honestly, smells like candy. Smells like those candies, you know, not the lollipops, but those hard candies. That's how it smells. Okay, so if using a lipstick topper doesn't look as shimmery as it just on its own, because on its own it was like super shimmery, you guys seen it. But now, I mean, it's glossy, gloss is definitely there, but it doesn't look as shimmery anymore. It's super glossy, but not shimmery. On its own, super shimmery. How does it work? I don't know, you guys. And I think our makeup look is complete. What do you guys think? So my verdict about this about this set, the Sprinkle Town set, 2 shimmer pigments and 2 lip glosses. Lip glosses are like so-so. I'm not crazy about it. I'm not loving it, but I'm not hating it. Maybe because I'm not a fan of the lip gloss in general. I'm more of a matte liquid lipsticks girl. So that might be a reason that I'm not like super excited about these lip glosses. But the pigments, the Shimmer Down pigments, amazing. I really hope you guys see how shimmery it is. Like what I see in the mirror, it just reflects all the lights that I have in front of me. So I really hope it reflects through the camera lens as well and you guys see what I see, because in the reality, yeah, amazing. Couldn't recommend the Shimmer Down pigments more, honestly guys. This set is worth purchasing just for these 2 babies, because yeah, the Shimmer Down pigments are perfect for Christmas parties and all, because you always want to glitter and shimmer for all the festivities, isn't it? So this, I think, is just perfection for that. a little bit on. You don't even need like much of a palette or anything. I just used one color basically, and yeah. So for me, this set is thumbs up because I love the glitter pigments, because glitter pigment obviously drops one just casually as always. Glitter pigments, amazing, thumbs up. These lip glosses, so. So this set itself, I would recommend getting only for the glitter pigments. If you love lip glosses, go on, get extra lip glosses for yourself, but I'm not a fan, as I mentioned, of the lip gloss, so that's why I prefer only glitter pigments. So this is my quick review and tutorial of this Sprinkle Town Shimmer Eye and Lip set. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see next on my channel, and if you enjoyed watching this video. And I'll see you soon in my next video, so thank you so much for watching, and bye!